Hi, I'm Paresh, the co-founder of BoloForms Approvals, and in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use the BoloForms Approvals add-on. So firstly, if you do not have BoloForms Approvals add-on installed, click on the three dots over here, go to add-ons, and over here you can search BoloForms. You can click on the form approvals add-on. You can click on the install button, give all the required permissions, and the add-on will be automatically installed in your Google Forms. I have already installed it, so I'm going to close this now. I'll refresh the form once. And now if I go to the add-ons tab, I click on form approvals. I'll open the add-on. So you can see Bolo approvals. Over here, we have already created some templates for you to start off with, so that you don't have to create all the questions prior. So I'll go with the leave and vacation request. If in case you have already created the Google form, you can set up with your own questions, but I'll do the leave/vacation request for now. So the form is being created. Now it is generating the spreadsheet for this form. It will be set up just within a minute. So over here, now what you can do is you can enable the approval workflow, which is by default enabled. Now you can go into the approval section, and there are two options: enable multi-level workflow, or this is a single level workflow that we have enabled. For this purpose, let us start with the single level workflow. So over here, I'm going to enter this another email address. So this is the email address of the manager, for example, who will approve all the requests that are coming in. Okay. So there the rule is can approve, and I'll save the settings. So settings have been saved. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be just viewing this form. I'll fill in the details. Like I can fill in the details over here. My name is Paresh. Family holiday. Leave start date is 4th. Leave end date is 7th. And I'll click on submit. Now the response has been submitted. Let us quickly see in the responses sheet what is the status. Let us refresh this part once. So the approval status is in progress. View detailed approval view. You can click on this link and the BoloForms dashboard should open up. You can sign in with the Google account that you used to create the form in order to see all the details that are there. So leave request, you can click on view, and form respondent is this, and overall status is in progress. Now let us go to the email ID and approve the form request. So over here, a new request requires your approval. So your manager can click on one click approve. They can give a certain comment, uh, such as yes, and they can click on approve. So request has been successfully submitted. Now let us go back to the dashboard. Let us refresh this. So the status has been changed to approved. Okay, and the comment is also shown over here. If you go into the Google Sheets over here as well, the status has been approved, and the detailed view we already saw in the BoloForms dashboard. And that is how you can very simply use the BoloForms approvals add-on to have your approval process very simply inside of Google Forms in your organization. So in case there are any questions, you can always ask them over here in the add-on itself. There are various ways to contact me using WhatsApp. You can ask me for a demo, or using email. Ask me for a demo or using email in the help.